Ayan, oh. Ayan, ayan. Ayan kami, oh, ngayon.
Are you all ready? We're the first one on.
We are the first one on.
There goes your dad. Thanks to dad. Hello dad, thank you. Paano tayo magtutong each niyan?
Why is he worried about that?
Oh, all good.
So I should.
Okay.
73B. Straight pa. Ayun si Buboy, oh. Ayun sila.
Is this 6?
73D. 73D. Hello.
73?
73D. Oh, here? 73D and E.
This C and this C.
Yeah, 3 was here.
73D and
Oh,
E.
sorry, this is here and here.
73D.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Uy!
What are you? Hey, where are you?
D here.
73 is this C.
Where's the D? 70.
You have 74.
Oh, you go there. I'm here in the...
E and 70 was
Oh, it's okay. We can...
4E.
Ayan, it's okay. Ayan kami, nakapila.
Oh, yeah, this young lady.
Edelinda, delicious. Casey. Chloe. Where is it? Where is Chloe? Oh, here. Chloe is there. Yes.
Mga first class muna yata.
Yan, sama-sama. Ayan kami, magkaisang ano kami. Ayan, ayan kami.
Amo siya, kain niya yan.
Dapat pala nakaano. Nakain nila, oh. Oy, ano? Sarap ng kain nyo dyan, ha? Wave naman kayo sa mga viewers ko. May wave naman, Elwin, sa viewers ko. Ayan, ayun na, busy siya sa kakakain. O, huminga naman kayo dyan.
Dami nyo, hindi kain.
Ayan, o. Sarap kasi, beef. Ayan, sarap na sarap sila, oh, guys. Sarap na sarap sila. Kita niyo yan, guys. Yung dalawa, hindi kasi kumakain.
Yung
si...
Tingnan ako, diet ako eh.
Diet pa yun, ha? Diet. Ayan, nagda-diet sila, guys. Diet. Diet ba yan? Ayan. Yun ang nila kukunin. What? Yeah, that one. Not, this is not rubbish, ah. Gonna eat that later on. Yeah, this is okay. This lady is coming now to collect all the ayan ang aming si Happy different po kanya. Pare-pareho kami may kanin. Ayan. Si Edel may kanin. Kami lahat may beef. Ayan.
Hindi masarap.
Ayan. Yun o, kanya. Iba yung chicken yung kanya. With mashed cake. Yan. lang tayo guys. Yan, malapit na kaming mag-ano. Yan, wala kaming ginawa kundi kumain ng kumain. Ayan. Hindi na kami magkanda o gaga. Let's eat mga guys. Ito kami sa ayan o. Nakain muna ako, lumalamig na.